Hi, I'm Anirudh and I'm one of the co-creators of Zeusta, and this is a tutorial about how to install it from the Chrome Web Store and get started. So let's jump right in. Very first step is I would go to www.zeusta.ai. From here, I would just go ahead and click on install, which is the second option from left. That takes me directly to the Chrome Web Store. Here, I would go ahead and click on add to Chrome. Now, as soon as it finishes installing, it takes you to our website where you can see how it works behind the scenes. But for now, first thing I want to do is I want to pin the extension. So on the top right, you would see a puzzle-like icon. I'm going to click it. Now, it has a pop-up which you're not seeing on the screen, but it lists the extensions you have installed. And I want to click on the small pin icon next to Zeusta. And voila, that brings it up here. So now it is always one click away when I need it. Now, next step, let's go ahead to YouTube. Now, Zeusta is designed to work on YouTube's right now. So I am going to go ahead and click it here. First, let me sign in. I will select a country. I would check this box for terms and conditions, and I would click on sign in with Google. Now, what you're not seeing on the screen is a pop-up that asks me which account do I want to use. I am going to choose one and it would sign me in. So it would only work when a YouTube video is open. I am going to open up a podcast that I've been listening to recently. It's an hour-long video. I'm going to go ahead and click the extension, and there you go. So it creates the summary, an extensive one, the key takeaways from the video, and the key concepts mentioned in the video. The idea is to give you a good context and help you decide if you want to watch the video, spend time, or if there is something specific you wanted to watch in the video. So rather than toggling back and forth, how about we try chatting with the video? So I'm going to talk about boredom. That is one of the key takeaways from the video. Now it will scan the video and find us if there is something mentioned about boredom and where is it mentioned. It'll give us more context about it. And there we go. So again, the idea is to give you good context. And another thing we worked very hard to build is retrieving the timestamp when that topic starts getting discussed. So when I click on this, it would jump right to the point where the role of boredom is being discussed. And if there's more, you would get more timestamps and pointers. And this helps you decide whether you want to spend time watching the entire video or save time jumping to a segment which is of interest, or altogether skip that video because it does not have what you want. And that was about it. Happy exploring. Thanks for watching. I am really looking forward to onboarding you as a user. And if there is anything we can do to make this more useful for you, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear your feedback. My email is on the screen. Thanks again.